Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you type in a website and hit enter? Like, how does your browser magically open YouTube, Amazon, or even this video right here? Well, guess what? It's not about magic, it's about software. And today on Tech Horizon, I'm breaking it all down in the easiest way possible. Let's go! Okay, so when you type something like www.google.com, that's the domain name. It's just a human-friendly version of a real address called an IP. But how does your computer know where that website actually lives? Here's where DNS comes in. It's like the phone book of the internet. Your browser asks the DNS, "Hey, where is Google?" And then DNS answers at 142.250.190.36. Boom! Now you've got a real address and it's time to visit the site. Next, your browser, aka the client, sends a request to that IP address. The computer on the other end calls the server, gets that message, and responds with the website's files. It's like sending a letter and getting a package in return. Your browser says, "Hey server, give me the home page." The server's like, "Sure thing, here's the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript you need." Now here is where it gets interesting. The front end versus the back end. The front end is everything you see. The layout, buttons, colors, animations. It's built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The back end is everything behind the scenes, like user logins, databases, and business logic. It's built with languages like Python, PHP, or Node.js. Example, when you click Sign Up, the front end shows you the form, but the back end saves your info to a database. See? It's like teamwork. Let's connect the dots. Step 1. You type in a website URL. Step 2. DNS gives the server's address. Step 3. Your browser sends the request. Step 4. The server sends back the files. And step 5. Your browser builds the page. It all happens in seconds, and now you know what's really going on under the hood. And that's how websites actually work. From clicking a link to loading a full page. It's all software doing its thing behind the scenes. Let me know in the comments which part blew your mind the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. This is Tech Horizon, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights.